tank.
True self is without form.
He's so cute, look at him.
Time.
I'm Swedish.
I think I need to go May. Let's go.
Actually, good. Fucking amazing. I'm going junk. It seems to be working pretty good right now.
So they let the trap in front of the door.
Yeah.
Could have added something more realistic to the spawn room to like make up for the fact that we can't go through these fucking windows. Like it's so weird. He could have, I don't know, like a glass or
agree. Yeah.
It's so dumb.
Reinhardt, don't
But
go, don't go.
I know it's there, I know it's there.
Let me. So I don't
The
have
left
to
side,
that one.
the left side bottom, guys.
Yep.
Oh, sorry. I wasn't listening. I am sorry for that. I'm just gonna shoot some grenades to trick them.
Okay.
Whoa, they have a Pharaoh.
Let's set up
I need
and hold
to
that.
switch.
What? Thank you. Keep us asleep.
Oh, I just woke her up as I threw her. Oh wait, she's not there. Well,
Oh my god.
Guys, come left.
Run and sleep. She's anti. What the hell? My game's lagging. Okay, that's no. Sorry, guys.
Alright. I'll do it.
I have nano.
No, push gets weapon
Nice,
6.
nice, Ryan,
Push,
nice.
keep us
Go, go,
asleep.
go, 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 go.
I will like this.
Nice,
Nice.
nice, nice.
Shoot.
Help me
I
kill
need
Ryan.
skills. Oh.
Yeah, wait. What the hell was this grenade go? This was weird, like it just threw the grenade and like it went nowhere.
The Mercy's along the point.
Tranquility.
Can I get heals?
Yeah,
I'm down.
yeah, we lost that. Can we go
Let's see what they have. Okay. I'm gonna go
What?
triple tank. I'm gonna go triple tank against
The
them.
cycle begins
Fuck
anew.
this. Like, if our hit guns doesn't get any fucking support.
Let's go middle this time. Go middle.
You sure?
Yeah, they're probably already expecting us from that side, so we're not gonna do much.
Where's the...
I'm gonna push more.
Fuck's sake.
I thought I shielded all of that side.
Thank you.
Up, they know we're in here.
Just let's run, please.
Oh, Bridget is like one.
Yeah, well.
We've got one.
Yeah.
Healing stream engaged.
Yeah, let's go around.
Heal.
See, but you think you can fly to the point to the trap?
More like the drink. What?
Split up a bit.
This is not the end.
Fuck.
Run to sleep. Rick Sandy.
Get the Pharaoh.
here, Mercy. I got catch fire really soon. Up in here. Nice, huge.
No healing, Kappa.
Come on, get. Had the Mercy from the start there would have been complete all the store.
We were almost there and they had to combo Shatter with Bomb. Fuck.
Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
We can do it.
Yeah.
Mm.
Can we have
2v1.
jump?
No, they're gonna go Pharaoh again.
Yeah, but as I said, if we're like, we should have a Mercy if we're gonna have a McCree. Then fucking have a Mercy.
I can go Mercy, but Mercy Zen isn't enough heals.
Zen is important because of the defense of.
Should I go around again?
Is without form.
Rhino or Orisa? Nice.
A disciplined mind is your most dependable ally.
Where does it hurt? Damage is engaged.
Attackers.
Let's get a Pycron.
30 seconds.
Group up with me.
Check initiated. Green across the board. I'm ready for action.
Gaze into the iris.
Can I set up here?
My friends, watch this horse is standing proud. His glory to behold.
5, 4, 3.
Oh damn, my game's lagging again.
Attackers incoming. Defend objective.
Damage boost me.
The greatest enemy is that which lies within.
Mercy's, your game's still lagging.
What?
I need help, guys. Please.
Oh no.
I need
It's a
heal.
loss.
Oh.
Yay.
Yay.
I'm coming back, guys. I'm sorry, I'm coming back.
Fuck.
Contest, guys, contest.
A point then.
I don't know what happened. My game just closed. I'm sorry.
Come on, point.
A temporary setback.
Yeah, just flying there. Nice.
Embrace tranquility.
I had 2 HP.
Enemy contact.
Jump red low.
Get a Ryan at his hole.
Brick top, brick top.
Nice flash.
I need heals, guys.
Left side, left side.
It's going.
I got booped.
Enemies re-engaging.
Wow.
My game is lagging so much. I don't know what's happening. I'm sorry.